Hushpuppies, classic cornmeal fritter. But the deal was, I wouldn't use any chilies and I wouldn't use any salt. My strategy is to sneak in a ton of flavor.
Look at Bobby, he just grabbed andouille sausage.
He is a sneaky man.
Dirty bird.
He's a sneaky man.
I'm inspired from the first round. I want to make Hushpuppies with andouille and some blue crab, because crab and corn goes really nicely together.
Andouille is fat and spice, but after he fries his Hushpuppies, he can't salt them.
I know.
It's a problem. Salt is really an issue. I want to get the batter done because I want to test it. Cornmeal and flour, some baking powder, garlic powder, onion powder, chives for some brightness, eggs and buttermilk, and I'm gonna put the andouille in there, sauteed with some onions. Sometimes they're just so dense. So I'm gonna add a lot of blue crab so that they get nice and light.
I think you have to be very careful because if you're dense, what happens is it's gonna fry longer and you just get greasy.
That's right.
I have to make some sort of dipping sauce. I'm making a remoulade, which is mayonnaise as the base, some ketchup, some whole grain mustard, some lemon juice, a lot of black pepper. But they didn't take my anchovies, they didn't think of that.
Nothing better than the anchovy for salt.
That's where I'm gonna get crazy on the salt flavor.
Anchovy is the bomb.
He's killing us right now.
15 minutes! There's no food over here.
Well, the batter's made, I'm not making them yet. You want me to make you one?
Yeah, please.
Fine.
This for me?
Yeah.
That's very sweet.
Most of the time I put some salt on there. I know. So inside is the crab and andouille. But salt is really a problem.
You know that's not half bad.
Is it?
Two very smart chefs.
I'm chopping up cornichons. I combine it with tarragon and chives. Little pickle and tarragon relish. The tarragon has like the fresh licorice flavor. People get freaked out by tarragon. I'm just like, get over it. I love that with shellfish, but not everybody likes it. I'm taking the risk, I don't care. So last minute, I decided to use anchovy oil in the batter. I'm hopefully getting a good salty, a salinity, let's call it. And now it's time to start making them. I don't want to overcook them, but I want them to be cooked through, so I want a crispy exterior. It's crispy, it's flavorful.
I don't know what Bobby's doing.
Bobby's a G.
So remoulade sauce on the bottom of the plate, a little bit of paprika. It's made with a sweet pepper as opposed to a chili pepper. The cooked Hushpuppies on top.
Listen to me. Anchovies are different than salt as it is. You can put all the stuff you want into it.
Yeah.
You still need some salt.
2, 1.
Boom!
Wow.
Good job. Thank you. Congratulations. I like it. I think it looks really pretty, too.